thank you for the assignment that you gave each of us as we came into this fleshly world. Thank you, though it be a burden, that you called upon us to carry the torch, to suit up on your team, to play in your game, to listen to you and to effect your mission. We thank you. We know that many more could have been here this day, but you chose that each and every one of us would rise above the obstacles with faith and with faithfulness, because you are the author and you are the finisher of life. Something in our hearts told us to rise above the obstacles because there was something special that would occur this day. Assembled here in the United States of America, at the place of arrival of the first Congolese Africans, to come to this place in Hampton, to be joined with a community of politicians, assistants to the politicians, those who would otherwise be described as lingering in Caesar's world. They had to wait. They grew restless. They almost grew weary. But something in your power, something in your spirit, anointed them with the determination to hang in there. And so we lift up this special day because there is no accident. 20 years ago, Papa, you called on me as I attempted to mock that anything good could come from Congo.